this week what we're going to do is we're going to work with time-lapse and slow motion camera. Now, the difference between them is slow motion will slow you, and we'll go over that. And then we're also going to use time-lapse. Time-lapse will show you doing something over a period of time. It takes a picture every 10 seconds, it takes a picture and then puts them all together so it looks like you're really moving fast. And we'll kind of go over that and show you what it looks like. Now, what you'll do is when you're in the camera app like I am, you'll go here and you'll see a slider. Now, depending on if you've updated your iPad, you might not see these this way, but you will definitely see those there. So I'm going to go ahead and slide it to time lapse. We'll start with that one. So I'm going to take a really quick time lapse video for you guys to see what time lapse will do. So that was an example of a time lapse video. So now what I want to do is show you a example of a slow motion video. Slow motion videos can get really fun, and really what I want you to do is think about how you could show slow motion. So I'm going to show slow motion right now. So I'm going to go to my camera and do that, and I'll go ahead and start recording. So now what I want you to do is I want you to create a couple of projects. Now one, you're going to show time lapse. Now time lapse is something you want to do like over a long period of time. Well, the time lapse video that I did and showed you, it was like only lasted a couple seconds, but I worked for probably about a minute there. So what you want to do is do something that shows you over a long period of time. So maybe like, cleaning up your room or playing a game or cooking a meal or drawing a picture or a lot of different things. But think of something that takes you like 10, 15 minutes to do. You want to do time lapse on that. Then I want you to do something slow motion. I want you to think creatively, something that shows something, doing something in slow motion. Like drops of water are really cool in slow motion. Pillows, like build a pillow tower and falling over, or catching a baseball, or be creative. You can have a lot of fun with this one. I want to see some really interesting and fun projects in this one. I don't want like quick, cheap, just like hurry up and get it done. I want you to do something where you think about what you're doing, and make sure you do something with intent, that is to produce something with quality, not just speed, quality. Okay, remember you're in the tech club. You're supposed to be on a higher level than everybody else, and I want to see what you do with this. But have fun with it at the same time. Let's see what kind of interesting things we can come up with.